Assalamualaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. The topic that we will discuss today it is the prevention of waterborne diseases. That how we can prevent the diseases that are caused by the polluted water. So let's have a look on it. Basically, the water produces a lot of diseases. These diseases may include the fluorosis that may cause the hepatitis. It may cause the jaundice. It may cause the cryptosporidium, it may cause the typhoid. Along with that, it may also cause the hookworm disease, it may cause the diarrhea. So, how we can prevent from all these diseases? We have to just change our lifestyle by cleaning the water bodies, by using the clean water for drinking purpose, by keeping the things clean and dry, by using sanitizers, and by use all the things washing with clean water. So by having all these activities we can prevent the waterborne diseases. Let's discuss that one by one. The first one is provision of the safe water. Now what does mean by provision of the safe water? Basically we must use the water as the drinking purpose. It must be properly treated by the different methods. On the other hand, it must be purified. In this way, we may be able to get get rid of all the diseases caused by the polluted water. So the water we are using for the drinking purpose, it must be clean and purified. So that's why if the water is clean, we may be prevented from waterborne diseases, as these waterborne diseases are very dangerous for the human beings. Then second step that we can prevent from the waterborne disease, it is the disposal of the sewage. So there must be an adequate sanitary disposal for all the types of the sewage. Basically, we have different types of the waste. So we must not throw all the solid or the liquid waste directly into the water supplies and different water reservoir. In turn, we must use the specific type of the treatments or the specific type of the sewage methods, as a result of which the water may get not polluted due to the domestic waste and due to the industrial waste and due to the agricultural waste. So we must dispose their sewage in a better manner and in a better way to get rid of all the diseases due to the water. On the other hand, we must control the toxic chemicals or the use of the toxic chemicals, as many chemicals that contaminate the water, and when they contaminate the water it adds up the different chemicals and it may cause the illness. But often when these toxic contaminants are also known as the slow poisons, and these are also known as the carcinogens, these chemicals that are hazards to the living organisms health are known as the carcinogens or that are causing the cancers. So these are as known as slow poison carcinogens when they contaminate the water in one way or another way. So there must be a strict control over the use of the chemicals, and these chemicals may be use of pesticides, use of the fertilizers, and the use of the insecticides. So when there is a control over the use of these substances, in turn, we may control the use of the toxic chemicals that are contaminating the water, and in turn, they are causing the different types of the diseases. At the end, we have the chemistry of the swimming pool cleanliness, that how we can clean the swimming pools. Basically, the swimming pools are cleaned by the process which is known as the chlorination process. This process is known as chlorination process. Now, what just happened? So, it is simple the addition of the chlorine solution in the water or the swimming pools. Basically, what does the chlorine do? It just kill the bacteria and all the other microorganisms that are present in the swimming pool's water. So basically, chlorine is itself does not kill, rather than it just dissociate in the water. And what is the main process? This is the chlorine, this is the water. When it just add up in the water, it dissociate into the compound, and that compound is known as the hypochlorous. Its name is hypochlorous, along with the production of the hydrogen ion and the chlorine ion. So this hypochlorous ion dissociated into hydrogen and the chlorate ion like OCl negative. Now this hypochlorite and the proton as ionizes, they both produces HOCl, which is hypochlorous, and this is the hypochlorite. They both kill the bacteria as well as they kill the microorganisms, and when they kill them both in turn, this is the simple chemistry of the cleanliness of the swimming pools. I hope you guys understand, and if you have any queries you may ask me about that in the comment section. And the next topic that we will discuss, it is the chemical properties of the water, that how do the water react with the different types of the substances, like it reacts with the metals, it reacts with the non-metals, and how do it reacts with the different oxides. So we will discuss it in the next detail. For that time, you guys keep learning and have a good day.